Hey everyone, so we are at the Broadway Tower in the Cotswold, and we're going to take you guys along with us for the journey. There's some really good shots of the tower on the drone, so stay tuned, have a look at it. Cheers.
Let me swim deep, find a better way, something to light up a spark again. So lift me up to a higher state. Oh yeah. It's time to say goodbye.